Ultra-Shear's 1/8 inch diameter solid carbide spiral router bits create the fine detail that can elevate your work above the rest, whether you're using them in a handheld router, router table, or small CNC. The spiral design maintains contact between the bit and the material, minimizing chatter and delivering smooth cuts. But these bits aren't limited to just working in a CNC. They're perfect for cutting lines for inlay with a router table or edge-guided handheld router. We make them in 1/2 inch and 13/16 of an inch cut lengths in both upcut and downcut versions. For best results, always use the shortest cut length that will accomplish the job at hand. Downcut bits slice into the material, delivering a flawless top edge. They're your best choice for shallow grooves and open-sided cuts. Upcut bits are a better choice for cutting deeper grooves. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear 1/4 inch shank, 1/8 inch diameter solid carbide spiral bits. Tiny bits that make a huge impact. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.